In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail Sync Issues 2026 Full Guide. If your Gmail isn't updating, not receiving new messages, or seems stuck syncing, don't worry. We're going to go through the most important checks that can help you get things working again, whether you're using Gmail on a computer or on the mobile app. First, check your internet connection. Gmail needs a stable connection to sync properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working as expected. If your connection seems weak or unstable, reconnect and then refresh Gmail, or restart the app if you're on mobile. A simple connection issue is often the reason emails don't appear right away. Next, refresh your Gmail inbox. On a computer, just reload the Gmail page in your browser. On the Gmail app, swipe down from the top of the inbox to force a refresh. This prompts Gmail to check for new messages again and can quickly solve minor syncing delays. If the email still isn't showing up, check your other folders. Sometimes messages are filtered automatically and never land in the main inbox. Look through spam, trash, promotions, social, and updates. You can also use the Gmail search bar to search for the sender's email address, which is often the fastest way to locate a missing message. After that, check your storage space. If your Google account storage is full, Gmail may stop receiving new emails. Open your Google account storage page and review how much space is available. If needed, delete files you no longer need or upgrade your storage so Gmail can resume normal syncing. You should also review your Gmail filters. On a web browser, open Settings, choose See All Settings, and go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Incorrect filters can automatically archive, delete, or skip incoming emails, so edit or remove anything that may be causing the problem. While you're in Settings, check email forwarding as well. Open the Forwarding and Poppy IMAP tab and see whether forwarding is enabled. If emails are being sent somewhere else and you don't need that feature, disable it. Next, review your blocked addresses in the Filters and Blocked Addresses section. Look through the list of blocked senders and unblock anyone whose emails you still want to receive. If you use Gmail on a phone or tablet, update the Gmail app from your App Store. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app, then sign back in and check your inbox again. If Gmail is giving you trouble in a web browser, temporarily disable browser extensions like ad blockers or email-related tools, then reload Gmail. Some extensions can interfere with how the site works. Finally, if none of these fixes help, check whether Gmail is experiencing a temporary service issue. In that case, the best option is to wait a bit and try again later.